take the sunshine for granted, and I don't even see the moon glow. A broken mind is what I feel.
It's day 5 million of the project.
Christmas is next Saturday.
We've only got a few more days to go, and we're going to Westfield now to do some more shopping.
Yep.
Christmas shopping.
To get me a hat.
Is this going to cost me money? Please like the video and please subscribe to the channel.
No, I want to say it.
Oh, you say it then. Be assertive. Tell them.
Shut up. Please like the video and please subscribe.
Tell God that he's needed. I'm too heartstrung to make a prayer. There's only one goal I've been dreaming of, but my heart won't stop me till I'm there. And every road I cross I get more lost. You know how hard I try just to go outside. I lost my mind in a northeast bay. It's nothing seemed to go my way. I hope I find it again someday. I hung my soul on a tightrope line. I hung it out to let it dry. I put it back on and it makes me cry. So I pick myself from up the pavement and I brush off that dust as I go. No matter how fast I'm moving, it's hard to take the chill off my bones. So don't mark my card and carve my grave.